Do you feel overwhelmed by the choices you face each day? From what to wear to which career path to choose, decisions are everywhere. The Paradox of Choice by Barry SCHWARTZ explores why more options can lead to less satisfaction. Simplifying your choices can lead to greater happiness. We live in a world filled with choices, and more options often seem better. However, the abundance of choices can overwhelm us, making decisions more stressful. Barry SCHWARTZ explains that too many options can paralyze us, leading to anxiety and dissatisfaction as we struggle to choose the perfect option. More choices are often equated with more freedom, but is that really the case? The paradox of choice suggests that an excess of options can lead to decision fatigue, making us feel less free. With every decision, we fear making the wrong choice, which can diminish our sense of freedom. People can be divided into two types: maximizers and satisficers. Maximizers strive for the best, examining every option in detail, which often leads to stress and dissatisfaction. In contrast, satisficers make decisions quickly by choosing options that meet their criteria and moving on. SCHWARTZ highlights that satisficers are more satisfied because they embrace good enough rather than pursuing perfection. Does having more choices make us happier? SCHWARTZ reveals that too many options can lead to decreased happiness. The more choices we have, the more we fear missing out on better opportunities. This often results in buyer's remorse. By limiting our choices and focusing on what truly matters, we can find greater satisfaction and peace. More choices can lead to more regret. SCHWARTZ explains that with every decision, we leave other possibilities behind, creating a lingering sense of what if. This regret can haunt us, making us doubt our choices. Focusing on our decisions and letting go of what might have been can bring clarity and satisfaction. How can we simplify choices and reduce stress? Here are some takeaways. First, limit your options by narrowing choices to what's essential. Second, define your priorities to focus on what truly matters. Finally, embrace satisficing by accepting that good enough can lead to satisfaction. These strategies can help you make decisions confidently. In a world overflowing with options, finding true happiness can be challenging. The paradox of choice teaches us that less is sometimes more. By simplifying our choices, we can live more fulfilling lives. Embrace a simpler, happier way of living. Read now Barry SCHWARTZ's book to learn how reducing options can lead to greater freedom and joy.